Hello and welcome to React Tailwind. In this video I'm going to create this beautiful header section with Tailwind CSS, and it's fully responsive, guys. Let's check the responsiveness. You can use these components in your project, and you will learn how to create these beautiful cards with Tailwind CSS. So let's begin. I have already created a React project with Vite. If you don't know how to create a React project with Vite, I have already a video in the channel. Let's create a new component. The component will be header with cards.jsx and our card to add for now hello. Sorry for the typos. Now let's import that. Let's check. Yes, I put them side by side. Let's add some classes. Class name, it will be relative, bg will be 900, and py will be 24. Same py will be 32, and overflow will be hidden, and isolate. What does isolate mean in Tailwind CSS? The isolate utility class applies the CSS isolation properties with a value of isolate to an element. This creates a new stacking context which can help manage stacking and z-index issues in complex layout. And the isolate property can take two values, auto and the isolate. The auto is the default value which do not create any stacking context, but the isolate value force an element to create a new stacking context. So remember, guys, when you apply isolate to an element, any child elements with z-index values are contained within this new context, preventing them from interfering with elements outside this context. So let's continue. I hope you understand that. To add an image, so I want to add the source of that image. The source of that image is from unsplash.com. I have let's add some class names. Absolute, and set will be 0, z will be 10, negative 10, width height will be full, width will be full, and object will be cover, and the sm object will be center, and object will be right. Let's save. See, guys, we have our image, background image. I want to add another div. Yes. At first it will be hidden, sim will be absolute, top will be 10, negative 10, and sim right will be 50%, and z will be 10, sim z will be 10, negative 10, and margin right will be 10. It will be block, and sm dot transform GPU. What does transform GPU do? It will force the browser to use GPU instead of CPU for transformation. Now the sm blur will be 3xl. It will be self-closing div, and add some classes. Aspect will be 1800, width will be 60 rem, and bg gradient tr top right, and it will be from hash ff 4694 to 776 fff. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add the hash. Opacity will be 20. Let's save. Added this background gradient, and blur will be 3xl. Now I want to add style and add some clip path property. I will provide this the source code for you if you save. Now I'm adding another div. Will be absolute. Top will be 52. It's negative 52, and left will be 50% of the z will be 10, and translate x will be 1 point negative, transform GPU and SM trans GPU also, and blur will be 3xl, and same top will be 23 rem. I mean negative, and let's add some margin left, and translate x will be 0, and the SM. Let's save. Add another self-closing div class. It will be with aspect will be 1008, width will be 60 rem, and bg gradient tr to top right means tr, and from blue 500 to indigo 500. Let's save, and on style add the clip path property. I will provide this for you guys, and let's save. As you can see guys, it has gradient. Opacity will be 20. If you increase, yeah. Now let's add another div. First it will be, let us some class mx auto max width will be 7xl, and px will be 6, and lg px will be 8. So this div, and let's add another div, and I want to add some class to that. Mx max width will be 2xl, mx will be auto, and lg the mx will be 0. So add another h1 support center class name text will be 4XL, font will be bold, text will be white, and text SM text will be 6XL, and tracking tight. Let's save. Add paragraph, lorem 500, margin top will be 2, and text will be LG, and leading will be 8. Also text will be gray 300. Let's the margin will be 6. Yeah, that's great. Below this div, guys, I'm going to add another div. For that, class max will be auto, max width will be 2XL at first. When you reach to SM, we have some margin to 20 margin, and in the LG MX will be 0, and LG max width will be none. Let's have its will display will be grid, get calls 1, LG grid calls 3, G gap will be 8. Guys, I have added array of objects. It has 3 objects. Every object has the name, description, and the icons. I have used hero icons. You can install hero icon. I have used that. So let's add for every cards dot map card component. I'm going to have another the key will be card dot name, and let's add some class name. It will be flex, and the gap x will be 4, and rounded will be 3XL, and let me padding will be 6, rank will be 1, rank white, white 10, and rank will be inset. So let's add like a div. Let's add the icon. I want to create card.icon, and the class at some place height will be 7 and width will be 5, text blue 500. Just save. We have that. Also I want to add the h3 card.name. For the description I will add card.description. If you save, now I want to add some class. Text will be white, class text will be gray 300, and the parent div for the h3 and the paragraph add text will be base, leading will be 7, font will be bold. I think we are finishing our component. Let's add some margin top in here. The margin top will be 2. If you save, yeah, Let's get full screen. I think I have forgot something in here. Flex none. Yeah, see guys, let's check the responsive. Let's check responsive. Why did I think I forgot? Yeah, let's check. Yeah, it is mx will be auto. Now check guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, suggestion, let me know in the comment down below. See you in the next video.